This is Jeffrey Martin, UR16CS120. In this session, we'll be seeing experiment regarding class and objects. There are basically two questions. The first question is this one. We have to create a class named student, and under private we have to give these attributes, and under public we have to give these attributes, the functions. So let's go to the problem. Now if you see here, include IOStream header file, and using namespace standard common one, I'm creating a class named student, and I'm giving two things: private, public. Under private, admin number is name with 20 characters, float, English, Maths, Science and total as given here, and ctotal, a function which will return a float type, so returning total which is of float. I'm getting the input as also float. Now under public, take data and show data. Take data is to get the value from each one, that is take the value of admin number, his name, marks, and finally you also have to invoke the ctotal function which you have created here. So invoking means just calling them. So I am creating f float and calling the function. Under show data, to display all the data members. So I am displaying everything with the final answer. Now under my main student s1 s2 are my two objects. Cout, enter the first student detail. So for the first student I'll first take the data, then I'll display the data, and again for cout, enter the second student details. I'll take second student's data and then show second student data. Now I'm running the program. So admission number 120, Jeffrey, 37, 40, 38. So my data is 120, student name Jeffrey, the total is 115. And now for the second student detail, admission number 121, Ethan, 36, 37, 38. So my data is admission number 121, within total is 111. That's all. So next question is from category 2. Same, I have to create a class, and I have to give some private members and public members, and given as per the question. Now we'll see that I'm creating a class named air. Under private, whatever is given: flight number, destination, distance and fuel. So flight number, destination, fuel and distance. And I have to create a function calculate fuel as per the following criteria. So if it is less than 1000, it will be 500, and if it is between 1000 and 2000, it is 1100, and if it is more than 2000, it is 2200. So I am giving this here. Now in public, feed info and show info, same as the before program. Feed info will give allow you to give all the input, and show info will display all, and feed info should invoke cal fuel. Now float f, under feed info, whatever I have given here, I am getting the value and I am calling the function. Next in show info, and displaying everything along with the calculated thing. Now in my main program, air is nothing but the class name. I am entering the details of the journey, then I'll with the help of feed info, then I'll display the data with the help of show info. Running the program. So flight number 89, destination Chennai, distance 1200. So my data will be flight number is 89, destination Chennai, distance is 1200. So the fuel required will be 1100 as per the given condition here. 1200 is nothing but this condition, so it is 1100.